Would you like to know how to make Zoho CRM your own? I'm going to show you 5 ways you can brand your CRM and customize it, making it pretty. All right, we're going to talk about things like canvas views and domain mapping. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because it helps us to reach more Zoho users so that we can help everybody. All right, guys, let's get to it. All right, one of the first ways is very obvious. I'm sure you've seen this setting already. When you go into Zoho CRM settings under General, you have company settings and you have personal settings. Of course, you want to make sure your company settings has your logo, because then anywhere you can either add code to display the logo, or there are certain parts in the CRM where you can display the logo. This is the logo it's going to display or pull. So you want to make sure you have that. There are some other options as far as adding business hours, domain mapping, which we'll go into a little bit more later, holidays, and your fiscal year. You want to make sure those things are customized, of course. But as far as visually changing things, you can change your theme. This theme will apply to you only. So when you log into your CRM, you will see whichever theme you have chosen, like so. Okay. All right. So let's go into some other features that we can use to better customize. Next, we're going to talk about homepage. When you first log in, you will see the logo here, and then you have this drop down in the top right corner where you can switch between classic view, your home view, and then any other views that have been assigned to you. Well, you can customize your home page and display that at the very beginning when you first log in. Now, there's a whole video on this, which I will leave the link here, so just click on that link in order to show, so that I can show you how to create your own home page. But yes, this can be customized to fit your needs. It doesn't have to be this classic view that I don't even think you can change the classic view. You may be able to reorder things, but this just kind of is what it is. But you can go and create your own customized homepage. All right, so be sure to check that out. Another way to customize your CRM is to change your setup page. This is a feature that just appeared not too long ago. You can click on Customize Setup and change the order of these components. You can move them around, and you can add things to the menu. So, pretty cool. Not sure if you've noticed, but it's customizable now. Now let's talk about domain mapping. In the CRM, there are portals. You can create a portal, which you'll see here. There's one client portal that has been created. Well, when our clients log into that portal, we can give it its own domain. And that's where you'll go to Settings, under General, click on Company Settings, and then Domain Mapping. Because I only have one portal, this is what it's trying to map right now. So you'll just add the domain that you'd like, follow the instructions to update your DNS registry, and then you'll have that available. It's really easy to set up, just as long as you know how to get to your DNS records. All right. I will say, as far as custom domain mapping for the CRM itself, that is only available in the standalone Enterprise and Ultimate editions of Zoho CRM. It's not available in the Zoho CRM 1 or CRM Plus. But you can still map your portals and then your sandbox. You can give your sandbox its own domain as well. Now, this is one of my favorites. Creating your own canvas views, which you can do for, your leads, your contacts, your accounts, your deals modules. Any of these can have its own, really pretty and customized view. So if we were to go to leads, let's just go to a lead here in our CRM. If you scroll down to the very bottom, you have one view, which is standard. Well, we can create our own custom record page. As you can see, there are templates over here to the left to choose from. And basically what it will do is it will display the data that's already there with the new theme, but you can make changes. So you can customize this however you like. So let's just choose one here. Now, this is what it's going to do. It's going to add the image over here. It's going to give you this information here in this first, it looks like a little card. And then over here, you've got a middle section, pretty much 3 columns. Okay. These are tabs. You can just click on these to toggle between them, and absolutely everything, anything that's in that module can be added here if it's not here already. And then this is just where you would, go from record to record. So let's save it. We will give it its own name. Okay. And then of course you can change the colors and everything. This is where you're going to assign it to certain profiles. If you only want certain profiles to be able to use this view, then this is where you're going to do this. And of course you can come back later and change this. But this is for the leads module. This is for the standard layout. We only have one layout in our CRM right now. And we're going to give the standard login this view. When they log in, they can see this view. In order to make changes to this, you can hit edit. And then this is where you can change. You can see right here, I can change the colors if I'd like. Okay. Even these labels, you can either display the labels or not. You can change the color of those, like so. So it's like there's no limit to what you can do here. Like you can make this your own. And then that way, when your team is using the CRM, it will be branded. It will have your colors, your themes. I don't know about fonts, if you can import fonts, but they have some options that are already here, which I'm sure you'd be able to find at least something that would work as close as possible to your brand. But yeah, Canvas views. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. Let's go over to our record. We're going to click on it. And then if I scroll all the way to the bottom, I see my SFS brand view. There it is. It's showing me the same information in this other view, and I would be able to go to the next record just by clicking on this. All right, guys, that is it. Those are 5 ways that you can customize your CRM to make it your own. All right, if you have questions, leave them in the comments. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.